This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com, as we come close to the end of the year 2020, and in a quick review of one of our best performing stocks for this year, an amazing year. And we can see here actually one of our biggest, quickest mover came in February when the market was tanking. And this is for paid clients, where you can see that the stock I'm going to discuss here is this stock right here, AHPI. The buy point was at 3.87. 3.87 was the buy point. When I sent the alert, the stock was at 3.64. Let's take a look at that chart. So this is the daily now, and you can see that the alert was sent to paid subscribers somewhere there before it broke out above 3.89. So it was sent when the stock was at 3.64. And the idea I wanted was to capture this breakout here based on the daily closing high here at 3.89. Now remember, this is in February when I sent out that alert, and the market was in a major tank mode. So this is February, S&P 500, and you can see what happened in February and March of 2020. So while the market was dropping, some instruments were actually seeing some amazing love. As you can see here, this instrument would go on to gain in 3 days 1,000%, going from that breakout of 3.89 to the highs here of about 45. Again, more than 1,000% gain in 3 days. And if you take a look at what it took for this to explode, we have to go to the monthly chart where we get the minimum requirements. And so if you take a look, we can see by January, the stock had already moved its monthly RSI above 69.1. And so basically, the next thing was to time the entry, and that's why I used the daily. You can see by January, the RSI was at 3-year highs. And we can see that both MACDs were also moving to 3-year highs. And hence the timing was for the next daily breakout, which took place in February. So this is the reason why we took the risk to highlight this as a breakout candidate in the midst of a massive market meltdown. And the only reason, and the reason actually, is because it met the minimum requirements of the ultimate Muathe breakout. Entry somewhere here. And in an ideal situation, your exit should be partial entries or partial exits along the way. And as 2021 is around the corner, I can assure you the explosive stocks for 2021 and beyond, all of them are going to meet the minimum requirement. Because for an instrument to explode, it has to show the signs of power. Links are going to be in the description. The ultimate Muathe breakout. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Love light, light love. Namaste.